Fireside Grill over at Mel's Coney on Sashaba.
Actually, my son's girlfriend works there, so we have not made a.
Pretty damn good.
Is it good?
Go down to the bar first to the basement and have a drink. They have a little speakeasy down there. Yeah. Joe, ask for Joe. He's the guy that owns it. He owns Mel's.
Okay.
And it's good.
That's Melma, right?
Yeah. It's better. It's better than Rudy's, which I can't afford those steakhouses.
No,
I'm more of a
you won't
Coney
see
guy.
me
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. No, me and you both like, yeah, we're doing this one. So
I'm the
are we good there,
Applebee's
Jenny?
guy.
Yeah. All right. Let me know we're rolling. Okay. So yeah, right there. Hi, Ryan. How are you, bud?
I'm doing great.
So do me a favor. Get a little bit even closer to that mic.
All right.
You want to be confident with that one. Now, Ryan, go ahead and give me your full name and title first.
My name is Ryan Schroeder. I am the store manager of the Clarkston Weingartz.
Hi, Ryan. How are you, bud?
I'm doing great.
80th anniversary for Weingartz.
Absolutely.
So you guys think you're going to stick with it and maybe make a business out of this?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. It's 80 and hopefully 80 more, I can tell you.
How many years have you been with Weingartz in Clarkston?
I've been with the company for 20 years. I started out in Clarkston, went to Ann Arbor, went to Utica for a couple of years, and now I'm back in Clarkston as a store manager.
So when you started out, what were you doing?
I was just a salesperson.
And then kept working your way up?
Absolutely.
What is it about Weingartz that makes it special to work there?
The people, the family business makes you want to come to work. The customers as well, building relationships with the customers. A lot of my real good friends are customers that I've been dealing with for years, and it's just a great place to work.
I would think it's got to be interesting too. And we always talk about local business. When I come into a Weingartz, I see somebody I know. I see somebody that maybe I ran into at a Kroger or where I was getting food somewhere. I was at Sir Pizza grabbing a slice of pizza on the way home or picking some up for the family. You know the community and they know you. That level of trust, it makes it even more important to get it right the first time, I would assume.
Absolutely. And the cool thing is I grew up in the Clarkston area, so now I'm back home. So I know a lot of people in the community, and that's the best part about being with Weingartz is you walk in, you say, hey, Joe, hey, Steve. It's not just, hey, can I help you out, Mr. Customer? So it's there's a lot of personal relationships that have been built over the years, and that's what we strive on.
And the idea of really great parts and not just like inventory. To me, I think that's vital. Anyone who has a riding lawnmower, any lawn care, snow removal, whatever it is, when I go to Weingartz, you either have the part or you'll get it quickly. That's something you guys really seem to strive to make sure you get it right.
Yes, we do. The biggest thing, especially on the commercial end of the deal and also on the residential, when the customer's machine is down, their customers don't care. They just know their grass isn't getting cut. So that's what we strive on, trying to get the guys back on the road and getting the job done, as well as in the residential line, because you always have graduation parties, and they got to get the yard done. So a lot of that goes into that factor as well.
So I'm a Cub Cadet guy. I've got my little, I've got my Cub Cadet that I like. And again, I wanted to address that because the truck came out, your guys' mobile service truck came to the house and did service on it. And I didn't know what to expect. But I didn't expect that. It was some of the best service I've ever received anywhere. And your technicians, everyone who came out, even the whole layout of it. Walk us through the process and how long you've been doing this.
Well, that's the cool part is the at-home maintenance has been around for a long time, but we have made the focus on really taking that to the next level. A lot of people that I've talked to, friends and family, and they're like, oh, at-home maintenance. They think you just throw a blue tarp on the driveway and lay on your back. But the way these, and you've had the service and the truck layout, the trucks are absolutely awesome. It is actually a mobile workshop where it has everything the technicians need to get the job done and get the job done on a timely basis.
I had shredded the right front tire on my lawnmower, and there are NASCAR teams that don't do tire changes that quick. And to watch how he immediately told me, and I understood. And I talk about peace of mind. Anybody that when you're with your lawnmower, lawn care, anything in life, peace of mind is so key. If I'm going to come to you and go to Weingartz and get service done, I want that peace of mind. And you guys really seem to deliver. Not seem to, you do. You deliver every time.
Yes, and there's been hours and hours in conference rooms and what we need in these trucks and tire machines. That was one of them. So we want to have a full service. At first, it starts out as a regular maintenance. Routine maintenance, but we want to get it to where we're just going out to the house and taking care of everything.
So you're 80 years in, you guys are going to stick with it. It sounds like it's a good business plan. I'm joking. Where do you go? What's next for Weingartz?
Well, we're always looking continuous improvement, really looking at the business and where we can focus on, especially with this at-home maintenance. This has been a big part for us and it's been successful. We want to actually take that to the next level as well, getting more of the repairs going and then keeping the schedule full of getting that on the road and keeping it on the road and getting that taken care of.
I shouldn't have seen the Exmark. I saw the Exmark, the zero-turn mower. I want one. I don't have a lawn big enough, but I just kind of want one just to rip around and do 3 passes and I'm done. Do you ever have someone come in and you go, how big is your lawn? Oh, it's like 150 feet. I want that one. Like,
absolutely. And there's a lot of customers that say, hey, I don't need this, but I want this. And Exmark is that brand, whereas it is the #1 commercial selling machine for the durability, the cut quality. And people want that for their house. They want the professional look at the residential level.
How's your lawn looking at home?
Well, it's one of those things that's I always, back in the day, I always made fun of my dad about how nice the yard was. And I was like, what the heck for? And then now I become my dad and I'm the guy that cuts my grass 4 or 5 times and different, so it's all striped. And, so that way people drive by the house and they always say something. And I've come to a passion with the mowing and the business.
Well, I would assume so. Everybody knows. They're like, yeah, that's Ryan. He runs the Clarkston store for Weingartz. Check out that lawn. Yeah, that's your showpiece right there, man.
Absolutely. And a lot of people, we moved into the neighborhood and the neighbor came over and says, hey, we have people that do this for us. I said, well, you don't understand. The business I'm at, I'm going to make a lot of noise around my house. So.
Last thing though, I do want to ask this, Ryan. Thank you for coming in this morning. Appreciate
absolutely,
you,
it's a pleasure being here.
I do go to the Weingartz store in Clarkston 100%, and I encourage everybody, Weingartz.com, and find your local store. It's all over southeastern Michigan. You guys are amazing with that. When I'm mowing my lawn, I get into a rut and I wind up mowing the same way. Should you change it up on a regular basis, the patterns when you're mowing the lawn?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
You should do a different pattern every time you cut the grass, so that way you don't have the ruts in the lawn.
Okay, so I'm like trying to put in the Detroit Tigers emblem into my front lawn, like doing that.
Well, there's nothing wrong with that either.
Okay.
the stripes on the outfield, it's definitely, you definitely want to change it up a little bit.
So you're at a game of Comerica. Are you looking at the lawn?
Like, I am.
Come on, Ryan.
It's funny. My son's friends come over and they always make fun of my lawn and like, hey, stripes are looking good, pal. So it's, I have a reputation, so it's.
So anything else we should know about the 80th anniversary for Weingartz, what's going on this year, and some of the, I know you've already had a bunch of celebrations and amazing stuff.
A lot of celebrations for the 80th. We had a lot of celebrations lined up for our 75th. And then as we know, COVID hit. So, that was all thrown out the window type thing. So the 80th anniversary it's just a, how far we've come. And then, like I said, we're always looking to continuous improvement. We're looking for another 80 years. We're in the 4th generation ownership, which is awesome. Still family involved. The ownerships are, they're doing the pulling up the sleeves and getting dirty and working the sales floor, working the parts counter. They're always there on hand. So it's a great.
Weingartz is part of the Motor City. It is. It's part of the Motor City. It'll always be here. And you guys, the men and women who work at Weingartz, are just amazing. And it's an honor just to be a small part of what you guys do. And I've been a customer for a long time, and I will be a customer for life with Weingartz. Thank you, Ryan. Everybody at Clarkston store and all over, all the men and women who work for Weingartz. Happy 80th anniversary.
Thank you very much. And it's a pleasure being here.
Do you know what you get someone for their 80th anniversary?
What do you get somebody?
An Exmark riding lawnmower for my lawn, Brian.
Well, we can figure that out. We can finance the balance. So
hold on. My wife's number is 248. Never mind. Thank you, Ryan.
No problem. Thank you.
Great, dude.